In this video, I'm going to give you 2 secrets on how to earn $250 an hour. So welcome back to another video. In this one, as mentioned, I'm going to be giving you 2 secrets on how you can earn $250 an hour from the comfort of your own home. Now, just before we jump into those 2 secrets, if you are new around here, it would be absolutely amazing if you can hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell and you can join the community. Also, if you do have any questions about what I'm going to talk about today, anything business related, drop a comment in the comment section down below and I'll be more than happy to help. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So I know for a lot of you, $250 an hour seems like an awful lot of money. And that is probably because you've been brought up in a society where minimum wage is like $5, $6, $7, $8 an hour or something like that. And you know, I know myself a couple of years ago, before I started my business, I was earning minimum wage. And in order for me to earn anywhere near $250 an hour, I probably would have had to have done like 40 years in my career to get even close to earning that. But the great thing is about entrepreneurship and starting a business is it is completely different, okay? It's not like being an employee. There's always going to be that ceiling you're going to hit as an employee where you're going to struggle to earn past a certain amount at a job. Whereas as an entrepreneur, you kind of make your own fate, and if you can become a real expert at something and offer value that exceeds $250 per hour, then there is no reason at all why you can't charge that. So I'm going to jump into secret 1 now. And secret number 1 is learn a high income skill. Now you may be thinking, what are some examples of high income skills? And most of the time, these high income skills are either something that makes your clients and makes your customers more money. Therefore, that's why you can charge a lot of money for them. You know, if you're charging $250 an hour, it takes you 4 hours to do. Okay, they pay you $1,000, but that work you do generates more than $1,000 back for your customer. That is a good investment for them. Therefore, you can put your prices up. So some examples of high income skills are things like copywriting, consulting, digital marketing, so something like Facebook ads, something like SEO, something like Google advertising, YouTube ads, learning how to create and build webinars. All of those things are extremely high income producing skills. So let's say right now, for argument's sake, you decide to do Facebook advertising. I've seen people literally go from earning no money within a 90-day period to be earning $100 to $200 an hour from Facebook advertising. Because with skills like this, let's use Facebook as an example. If you become an expert at Facebook ads, for 90 days, you throw yourself in and learn everything possible about that skill. Then imagine you get so good that you're able to achieve 2, 3, 4, 5x return for your clients. And then let's say you find a client that is about to spend $1,000 a day and you're able to achieve $2, 3, 4, $5,000 a day in return. You're able to charge such a high hourly rate because you're also making them a lot more money. So if you just go onto Google and search high income skills, you're gonna get a big list of different high income skills. So pick one and stick to one. Don't be that person that tries to chase 3 or 4 different income skills, tries to chase all of them and then doesn't pick any and doesn't master any. You want to pick one, master it and become an absolute expert at it. Now, secret number 2, in order for you to charge $250 an hour, now that you've got the education, now you've picked a skill and you've become really good at it, you need to go out and get yourself some clients. Now, if you're working hourly and you want to get yourself some easy clients who are interested in the service you're offering, I recommend using freelance websites. So you could use Upwork, Guru, People Per Hour, whatever it may be. And I want you to go on, create a profile and whack your hourly rate right up to $250 an hour. And then you want to reach out to people who are looking for experts. Now on Upwork, you can apply for both entry, intermediate and expert level jobs. Now if you're looking to charge $250 an hour, you can completely count out entry level jobs that no one's going to pay you if they're looking for that. No one's also going to pay you if they're looking for an intermediate priced freelancer. However, there are some people out there who have big, deep wallets, who have a lot of money to spend and a lot of money to invest because they want the best of the best. And you want to appeal to that market. You're not trying to appeal to the person that only wants to spend $50 for the whole task. You're not looking to appeal to somebody who wants to spend $5 an hour on a freelancer. You're looking to appeal for the people who are willing to spend $250, $500 an hour for the best of the best, the cream of the crop for that skill. And yes, these are a little bit harder to come by, but trust me, they're out there. I think it's a lot better to have 2 or 3 clients all paying you 3, 4, 5 grand a month for your work than have like 50 clients just paying you 200 a month, all right? You're gonna have less clients, less moving parts, less effort, less work, but a lot more money. And maybe in the beginning, you're not going to be able to start out at $250 an hour. Maybe you're going to need to work your way up to that. Maybe, you know, for the first couple of weeks, you start out at 20 an hour. And then as soon as you get a couple of clients, you whack your rates up to 50 an hour. Then you go up to 100 an hour. And then I reckon as soon as you get 100 and you get a client, boom, straight up to 250 an hour. And I think if you really dedicate the next 90 days to this, and dedicate it as in invest in training programs, invest into your education, indulge in whatever high income skill you choose, and really spend 18 hours a day just learning it, taking action upon it. I have no doubt in my mind that you will be able to be charging $250 in 90 days from now. The big issue I see a lot of the time is that people want to charge $250 an hour and they want to charge it tomorrow. Okay, if you're looking for a get rich quick scheme, you're looking to make money immediately overnight, it's not going to happen. They do not exist, okay? But 90 days in the long scheme of things, you know, in the big scheme of your life, you know, compared to a 4-year degree, 90 days is literally nothing. So take 90 days, master a high income skill. And then secret number 2, use freelance websites and target people who are looking for experts. Target the cream of the crop, the people with big budgets who have spent hundreds of thousands, if not millions, on the platform. So hopefully this helped you guys. Let me know in the comment section down below which high income skill you're going to choose. I highly recommend Facebook ads personally. I run a Facebook advertising agency and there's a lot of demand right now of people actively seeking and looking for Facebook advertisers. But obviously if you enjoy or prefer another skill, that's absolutely fine too. It's completely up to you. And if you are interested in starting and scaling your own social media marketing agency without doing any cold calls and without any experience, I do actually have another free training that's going to be linked down below. It's about 1.5 hours to 2 hours long, so go and check that out. It really goes in depth about how you can find clients, how you can build a team, and how you can automate that whole process and earn over $10,000 a month. So it's definitely worth checking out. That's going to be linked in the description down below. I hope you found a ton of value nonetheless, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.